This is my last video on how to create a works cited page for your research paper. In previous videos, I have showed you how to format your Google document according to MLA 9th edition standards. You should have your page number, you should have your header, which is your last name, you should have your name, my name, English 9, and the date, like this, in your heading, your title, and lastly, your paper. Now let's just pretend that you wrote your paper from the introduction to the conclusion, so about 5 paragraphs, and now you're ready to start on your works cited page. Remember, this is a page completely by itself. There should be no essay on this paper. If you did not end the paper at the bottom of the page like this, you just click enter until you reach a new page. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to title this paper. So we're going to take our cursor and we're going to center align it. And then we're going to title it Works Cited. It is always titled Works Cited. You don't get to add any names or any creative liberty here. It is just Works Cited. Click enter and then put the cursor back to the left. And now we're ready to add our citations. If you remember when I added the in-text citation right here, Heard 2022, this doesn't give a lot of information to the readers about who Heard is, when this was published, what article this is. And if readers are interested in finding out more information, they can find it in the Works Cited page. So let's add a little bit more information about Heard and her work. Remember, you should have bookmarked this on your Chromebook. Okay, so here is the source that I pulled from, author Toria Heard, date December 1st, 2022. And at the top of this Gale in Context Middle School, there's a little cite button. Make sure it's on the MLA 9th edition. And here is where you copy and paste it. So you're going to highlight it, edit, copy. And some people were concerned with copying and pasting this because they said that it might be plagiarism. And let me explain that copying and pasting a citation is not plagiarism. Plagiarism is when you copy and paste large amounts of work or quotes or research and you pass it off as if it's yours and you're not being honest academically. Copying and pasting a citation is giving proper credit to the people who wrote How Parents Can Play a Key Role or the article that you chose. So this is just giving Heard, the author, proper credit, and that's why it's okay to copy and paste. So let's go back to our Works Cited page. We're going to paste it here. You're going to click Edit, Paste, and Match Style because we still want it to be in MLA Times New Roman. And if you noticed, the first line hangs out a little bit more to the left than the bottom 3 lines, and that is called a hanging indentation. If your citation does not have a hanging indentation, here is how you put one on. You're going to highlight the entire citation, then you're going to go up to Format, then you're going to go to Align and Indent, Indentation Options, Special Indent, Hanging. And then you're going to apply. And it should be a hanging indentation like this. according to MLA, each citation needs to be with a hanging indentation. And the last part of this Works Cited page is you need to put every single citation in alphabetical order. So that means that last name A would go first, B would go second, C would go third, so on and so forth. So please organize your citations in alphabetical order. And that is the last tip that I have for you guys. If you have any extra questions, feel free to contact me, either digitally or in person. I hope that these videos helped a little bit with how to properly organize a research paper. And we are in the final stretch of this. So this unit and this project is going to wrap up pretty fast.